Patagonia MT. That's probably the most quiet MT tire I've ever seen. Can't even hear it. I mean, you can't hear those at all.
No.
There's no whining or humming or roaring or anything.
No, I'm digging these tires.
Super aggressive, but without the super aggressive noise. It's about as good as it gets right there. Turn around here. Get her up to about 55 this time. It's raining and stuff, so the sound of the rain and the defrost will probably be picked up by the camera more than anything else, but I mean, I can't hear the tires at all. Yeah, everybody said those Milestar Patagonia MTs were the quietest mud tires that they'd ever seen, but I guess it's true. That's gonna be all right, man. Nice. I ended up fitting the truck perfect too. The edge of the sidewall was right there at the edge of the fenders. Absolutely perfect. Kind of see it in the mirror there a little bit. They don't stick way out at all. That's a positive 12 offset. Perfect. Nice tires. Now I wish I had bought some. I had to get some of these to put on the JL. Looks like they do pick up a few stones. A little bit of gravel, but not too bad. There's a couple of rocks in there. I was wondering if they'd pick up gravel or not, but they look pretty good on the truck though. Not bad. Not bad at all.